Hello, and thank you for joining me today. If I haven't had the pleasure of meeting you yet, my name is Laura Scheidegger. I live in the mountains of Maine, where we just got 9 inches of snow last night. Yay, us. And I have been working for ThinkReservations for just about 2 years now. Today, we at Think wanted to share a quick little video, how-to video, that is going to show you how to update the search page message on your booking engine. Let me go ahead and share my screen and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here you have our demo booking engine, and just like yours, you have the check availability, and we have this blue search button. Underneath this button right now is the message that we have added to our search page message area. And we have normally required you to contact the support team by email or calling to have this updated. We recently just made it available in your settings so that you can make this update yourself when you want. So let me go ahead and go to the back office and show you how to make these changes in your settings. Once you are in your back office, on the upper right-hand side of your screen, you can go ahead and click Settings. On the left-hand side, under Business Configurations, find Booking Engine and click. Once in the Booking Engine settings, you'll see right here, Search Page Message. There are just a few things that you need to do to have this message appear on your booking engine. The first is to make sure it has a check mark in the box. Once that check mark is there, it will display the notification on the search page. And that is the first page of your booking engine. You can add a header that is highlighted and then the content of your information that you want to provide. Then the next option is the position of notification. When I showed it to you a moment ago, the position was at the bottom. You can also add the position to be at the top, so your message is visible immediately as they're reading down. Once any changes or updates have been made, don't forget to scroll all the way to the bottom and click your green Save button. I'm going to take you back to the booking engine of our demo account. As mentioned before, this is where I showed you underneath the search button is where the message is displaying at this time. I made that change, so I'm going to go ahead and refresh my screen and show you now this message is just under check availability. This message is right before they would add a check-in and check-out option to search for their stay. I hope this detailed information is helpful to you, but definitely know that our team is ready and waiting for you. If you need any assistance, please email or contact our support team. I hope everyone is healthy and have a fantastic day. Take care.